right, hello and welcome. I want to show you something that happens in almost every client meeting that I have. I show business owners their website in a way that they usually have never seen it before, and they are genuinely shocked. At least 1 in 4 people can't use a typical website. It's not a niche concern. That's 1/4 of your potential clients being turned away before they even see what you have to offer. I'm Steph from Clarity Web Design Studio. Today I'm going to demonstrate exactly what that looks like. So first of all, I'm going to share my screen. Okay. So what we have here is a demo site. This is not an actual website, but it is a site that is deliberately designed to show some common problems. Now, it's impossible to do a demonstration that shows everything, all of the potential issues with a non-accessible website. So first of all, I want to show you something because this covers a wide range of your online users, and that is keyboard navigation. Some people cannot use a mouse. That could be due to physical tremors, motor disabilities, temporary injuries. Some people just prefer not to use a mouse and they navigate online entirely with their keyboard. But I want you to see what happens when I put my mouse away on this website. So here's my mouse moving around like normal for me. And instead, I'm just going to press the tab key. So first I have to make sure I'm over here. And now see, mouse free. And I'm going to start pressing the tab key. The tab key should navigate through the website in pretty much the same way as I would be able to do on a mouse. So here we go. I'm clicking. I'm in the search bar that is lit up near the top of the page. And then I went to the go. And now I'm pressing tab. Can you see where I am on the page? There are no focus indicators, nothing to sort of give you a visual clue as to where you are. Without them, if you are not a blind user, or like either you don't have the focus indicator or it's invisible, those keyboard users are literally lost. I have no idea where I am on this page right now. We're pressing tab, we have no idea where we are. You can easily try this on your own site right now. Just go to your homepage, open it up, and start pressing tab and see what happens. For comparison, on my own site, it should look something like this. The very first thing you should see is a skip to content button. Very first thing. If that's not there, that's problem number 1. And then you can see there's a dotted outline. On my site, it's a dotted outline, and that's the focus indicator. And as we click through, it's very easy to see where I am as I go through the site. So it's a totally different experience. So the next thing that I want to show you is contrast. This is ridiculously common, and we see this all the time. But that is when the text against the background, it might look elegant in a design mock-up. Like for example, on this site, we have light gray text on a white background. For someone with low vision or someone who's in bright sunlight, this has become unreadable. So this is a quick test. Can you read all of your text on your homepage without squinting or without highlighting it like I just did here? If you have to work to read it, some of your visitors simply can't read it at all. The other thing that I want to show you, and this is just from an extension that I have on my website, but you can have a lot of people using dark mode, and that actually changes the contrast ratio on your website. You can see this one has switched from being low contrast to being suitable. So there's a lot of different things that have to be considered to make sure that your website is accessible. The next thing I want to show you, let me just stop my screen share. Next thing I want to show you is on your mobile device. What I want you to do is pull up your website on your phone and then tap around. Can you tap every button that's on your website without zooming in? If your buttons are too small or they're too close together, you are excluding people with motor difficulties, people with larger fingers, people in a hurry, people holding a coffee. The list goes on and on. So here's the thing. This isn't just about being considerate, although that matters. It's about not accidentally turning away people who want to work with you. Every barrier that you remove means more people can say yes to your services. And here's what's interesting. Sites that work for everyone also tend to rank better in search because they are clear and logical and well coded. Search engines, AI, whatever, reward clear and well structured sites because they are easier for everyone to use, including crawlers like for Google. Now, if you want to test your own site, I have created a free quiz. It's called the Website Confidence Score. Part of it walks you through some of these exact usability checks. Takes about 5 minutes. There's a link in the description. And if you want the comprehensive guide to building sites that work for everyone, I've linked that in the post below. I'm Steph. I build websites for humans, by humans. See you in the next one.